and revitalize the incentive legislation for employee share ownership plans, making it more user-friendly and easier to comply with and administer. This was a program of the late Michael Manley. We will then undertake a promotional exercise to encourage Jamaican firms to establish employee share ownership plans which align employer and employee interests so that they have common interests and create wealth for their workers at all levels, from the bearer and the janitor up to the CEO. I have seen it work, Madam Speaker. I have seen workers in firms become millionaires from employee share ownership plans, and their productivity has been enhanced because they have a stake in the returns that are made by the capital of the business.